Hello my dear students. In the last class we will discuss about different types of the chemical equation, that is skeletal and balanced chemical equation, and one more thing, how we have to balance with if it is skeletal chemical equation. Now in this class we will discuss about most important thing, that is different types of the chemical reactions. So there are four types of the chemical reactions we will list it here. One is a chemical combination, second one chemical decomposition, chemical displacement and chemical double displacement. These are the four types of the chemical reactions. One by one I will repeat once again: chemical combination, chemical decomposition, chemical displacement, chemical double displacement. So these are the four types of the chemical reaction. We will discuss one by one. First we will discuss about chemical combination. The simple definition regarding the chemical combination is, already the word indicates combine. Combine means addition of compounds, addition of atoms. It indicates addition. The meaning of the word combine means adding. Okay, now we will do one experiment for chemical combination. So in a textbook they are giving one experiment. So I will show you. So this is the experiment. So what is the experiment? A beaker. Collect a beaker, and inside a beaker, it is beaker. Add water. Inside a beaker we will collect water and add here calcium oxide, CaO. We will call it as quicklime. So just imagine and recall the calcium oxide where we are using in our daily life for the whitewashing of our buildings, house, schools. We are using calcium oxide. Okay, so this calcium oxide we will add in a water and stir well. After some time the quicklime, that is calcium oxide is said to be quicklime, is converted into slaked lime. When it is reacts with water, it is converted into slaked lime. Slaked lime, we will see a reaction here. So this is a reaction, chemical reaction. Calcium oxide is said to be quicklime. When it is added in a water, stir well, they are chemically combined to form slaked lime. Chemically we call it as calcium hydroxide. Slaked lime. So this slaked lime we are using for the whitewashing purpose. Now what is the chemical combination? Above reaction shows here, already we are discussing that the left hand side things are said to be reactants, right hand side things are said to be products. Okay, here two or more reactants combine to form one single product. It is called chemical combination. Here chemical combination means two or more reactants are joined or added one another and the single product is formed. So this is said to be chemical combination. The condition is that the product should be one. Reactant, two or more reactant, the product should be one. This is called chemical combination. Now, so after whitewashing, this is calcium hydroxide. After whitewashing several times, it may take 2 to 3 hours. After that, when it reacts with atmospheric carbon dioxide, it becomes a hard layer of calcium carbonate, and the water which is present inside calcium hydroxide or slaked lime, gets evaporated. Now after the 1 year, if you remove the layer of that whitewash, it is nothing but calcium carbonate. Okay, it is just an applied thing. That means we are using science in our daily life. Okay, we will move towards another reaction. So just focus here, C plus O2. Here C means a component of the carbon. It may be a coke, it may be petrol, it may be a diesel, whatever it may be, a component of the carbon. When it is burned by using oxygen, it releases carbon dioxide. Now here, how many reactants are there? Here, 2 reactants are there. They chemically combine and form one product. So this is called chemical combination. Next we will move towards another equation. So formation of water molecule. Here it is a water molecule. H2O is a formula for water molecule. How the water molecule will be formed? Water molecule is formed by the addition of hydrogen gas and oxygen gas in the ratio 2:1. Then they chemically combine, we are getting water molecule. Here also there are 2 reactants where the chemical reactions, 2 or more reactant, they combine and form one product. So this type of the chemical reactions are said to be chemical combination. Next, there is another reaction. I think you recall this one. We will discuss in the first class experiment. Magnesium ribbon is heated in presence of oxygen. We will get magnesium oxide. So this is also chemical combination, because here reactants, two reactants combine and form single product. 2 or more reactants combine to form a single product is called a chemical combination. So these are the certain examples we will discuss in the class. Even though, one more thing, in this experiment, after the reacting calcium oxide with water, we will get slaked lime. Just touch the surface of the beaker. We feel some amount of heat. That means in the chemical reaction, the heat is liberated. If you just touch that vessel which we are using, water and calcium oxide is mixed well, just touch the surface of the vessel, it is little bit hot, because in the chemical reaction heat is released. So such type of the chemical reactions are said to be exothermic reaction. Exothermic chemical reaction. What is thermic? Means heat. Exit the heat in the chemical reaction is said to be exothermic. The chemical reaction in which the heat is liberated. Such type of the chemical reactions are said to be exothermic chemical reaction. This is an example for exothermic chemical reaction. Okay, now you can find out this type of the chemical combination and exothermic chemical reaction by referring your textbook and some more other science textbook. Okay, thank you.